welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. I have here one of Usborne's new books for the 2017 holiday season. This is Baby's very first Slide and See Christmas. Check out this awesome board book. As you can see here, your child can move the pictures back and forth and little things appear and it really manipulates the image. It's a nice sturdy board book and it has rounded edges. So, it also has, here they can go back and forth or up and down, and as you can see here, it makes the lights appear in the tree. There's also different raised and lowered parts of the pages. The cool thing about these books is that obviously you can see there's not much of a story here. All it says is, "Hello, Mr. Snowman," and whee! What you do with your child is you come up with discussion points to talk with your child. Like, do you see the happy tree? And there it is. Do you see the giraffe? There it is. What color is the snowman's hat? It's blue. How many birds do you see? 1 and 2. So you can kind of make up your own little stories for the kids. Here it says, "Who's hiding?" And then they can move and they can see the little gingerbread man is hiding. You guys can also talk about the cookies and what kind of cookies they like. What kind of animal is this? Do you see the happy ornament? There he is, and he has little rounded edges too. So you can really get your child getting tactile with these books. Now, the thing about some of Usborne's books, including these Slide and See books, is that it's really just a way to introduce your child to books and introduce them to the love of reading and the love of books, because these books are so fun and so engaging for kids. I mean, honestly, if your child can unlock your iPhone and open an app, they should be able to open a book and really play with it. Play with the book and read the book and answer questions and ask questions. And that's really what these fun Usborne books are all about. So give them the best gift of all for Christmas, at least my opinion it is, and get them some books. Happy book shopping and happy holidays.